So welcome to this lecture, and what I want to talk about is really the first step to thriving on Fiverr is to set a financial goal for yourself. If you haven't set a financial goal, then this is really just a hobby for you, and your chances of succeeding are going to be much lower. It's the same with anything, same with fitness, same with whatever else you're trying to achieve. You need to set a financial goal. So, what is possible on Fiverr? Well, as I showed you in my previous lecture, I'm making $1,300 a month, and this girl, as featured on the Fiverr blog, she made $5,000 last month. This guy, a narco fighter, here's his profile on Fiverr, he made 10K from one single sale. And here's another guy, Young Caesar. He's got huge amount of sales on Fiverr, and it's rumored that if you do the calculations, he's making over about 100,000 a year, which is really massive. So the potential to earn a lot of money is there on Fiverr. But what goals can you really set for yourself? Well, what I suggest you do is you tie your goals in with the goals of Fiverr, really. And so if you're a brand new seller, what I suggest you do is over the next 30 days that you try to win 10 sales. That'll give you a profit of $40 minus the $10 commission for Fiverr. But really, the point of that as well is that will promote you to being a level 1 seller, provided you meet these other requirements as well. But once you become a level 1 seller, it opens up more gig extras, opportunities basically for you to make money. If you are a level 1 seller, I suggest you try and get 50 sales over the next 60 days and meet these requirements as well. That'll promote you to being a level 2 seller, which opens you up to more and more ways to make money on Fiverr. If you're a level 2 seller, what I'd suggest is meet all these requirements, but also see what you made last month and try and add 20% over the next 30 days. Just commit to it. And really try to make that happen. Use all the information that's in this course and execute on it. If you're a top rated seller, same thing. Take advantage of all the ways you have to make money. Look at what you made over the last 30 days, and over the next 30 days just say I'm going to make 20% plus what I made last month, and just commit to it. So it's very important to have something to work towards. I've given you some suggestions there about the goals that you should make, and they really tie in to the rewards you can get if you hit them from Fiverr. So it's a great incentive to do it that way. So pick a number, pick a date, and just commit to it and say I'm going to do whatever it takes. And I think that is really going to help you be successful on Fiverr.